Ever wondered how to get unlimited channels on Roku? Stick around as we reveal a game changer using IPTV. Imagine transforming your Roku into a powerful entertainment hub with IPTV. The possibilities are endless. Get it here. https://www.2tv.store/ Discover premium IPTV with attractive options and an awesome experience. Ready for a new viewing experience? All it takes is a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. Firstly, ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. You're about to experience a world of streaming magic. Next, install a reliable IPTV player. This will be your gateway to countless channels and ultimate entertainment. Afterward, you'll need your IPTV provider's subscription details. Here, the magic truly begins to unfold. Input the details into your chosen IPTV app. Watch as your channel list expands dramatically in real time. Love comprehensive access. Now explore thousands of channels, including exclusive content from across the globe. Having issues? Don't worry. Troubleshooting is simple. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing with our expert tips. Experience captivating TV on Roku with IPTV. Subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching until the end.